Welcome to Quran English Translation. We read one verse per video. Here is our one verse video. So, read with us. Surah Al-Baqarah. Verse number 196, and complete the Hajj and Umrah for Allah. But if you are prevented, then offer what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals. And do not shave your heads until the sacrificial animal has reached its place of slaughter. And whoever among you is ill or has an ailment of the head, making shaving necessary, must offer a ransom of fasting, 3 days, or charity or sacrifice. And, when you are secure, then whoever performs Umrah during the Hajj months, followed by Hajj, offers what can be obtained with ease of sacrificial animals. And, whoever cannot find or afford such an animal, then a fast of 3 days during Hajj and of 7 when you have returned home. Those are 10 complete days. This is for those whose family is not in the area of Al-Masjid al-Haram. And fear Allah and know that Allah is severe in penalty.